How to easily cancel Spotify Premium subscription. So to start, what you need to do is to go to your browser and then search for spotify.com. Once you're on the website, simply tap on these three lines and then tap on the login option. And then once we're logged in, what we need to do is to tap on the settings icon and then after that tap on the view account option. In here, you will now see this option, manage your subscription. And then after that, if you have a premium subscription, you are supposed to see an option here to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. All you need to do is to tap on that option to completely cancel your Spotify premium subscription. So that's how easy you can cancel Spotify premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.